Are you looking to play GameCube games on your PC with the original controller? Well, the Mayflash GameCube controller adapter is the go-to solution. Here's why it's worth the slightly higher price. So recently I've been diving back into some classic GameCube titles using the Dolphin emulator on my PC. Naturally, I wanted the full nostalgic experience, which meant using the original GameCube controller. But of course, there's no easy way to plug that into a PC, you can't just plug it in. And sure, there are USB GameCube style controllers out there, but after taking one look at the reviews, it was obvious that they weren't going to cut it. Apparently they were cheap, they were plasticky, they had no vibration, they were just never going to match the quality of the original. That's why I ended up with the Mayflash adapter. The Mayflash adapter is designed for the Wii U, Switch, and PC. My focus was getting it to work seamlessly with the Dolphin emulator on my PC, and it delivers exactly that. You get 4 ports for original GameCube controllers, each with little bumps above the slots to indicate player numbers. 1 bump for player 1 and up to 4 bumps for player 4. Pretty straightforward stuff. If you grab a second adapter, you can connect up to 8 controllers. Perfect for big multiplayer sessions. I mean, who actually has 8 GameCube controllers? If you do, let me know in the comments. There's also a switch on the back to toggle between Wii U or Switch mode and the PC mode. The adapter itself feels solid. It's a simple black box with 4 controller ports, just like the original GameCube, and the body feels fairly high quality actually, better than I expected for something under £20. The 2 USB cables are thick, they feel durable, and at 1.5 meters long, they should reach most setups comfortably. The switch on the back clicks firmly into place, giving a reassuring feel when toggling between modes. And the player indicator bumps are a subtle but nice touch for easily identifying controller slots. The standout feature here is its plug-and-play compatibility. On PC, switching to PC mode lets Dolphin recognize the adapter natively, meaning it works just like it would on a GameCube console. Just simply download the software and select the Mayflash adapter from the drop-down menu. Then all you need to do is map out the buttons just as you would on any other software. Select the button that you want to click the button on the controller, and it maps. It's really that simple. Performance-wise, it's spot on. There's absolutely no noticeable input lag. The button presses and joystick movements register immediately, and the vibration feedback works exactly as it should, adding that extra level of immersion. There's also no difference in performance whether you're using it on PC or a Switch. It just works seamlessly. I've actually been really enjoying playing Luigi's Mansion, the original version, on the GameCube with this adapter, and it is absolutely amazing. One thing I initially overlooked was the switch on the back of the adapter. I had it set to the Wii U mode when I first plugged it into my PC and spent way too long trying to figure out why the Dolphin software wasn't detecting it. So if you do pick one of these up, do remember to flick the switch to PC mode because you'll save yourself a lot of confusion. While the Mayflash adapter is fantastic, it's also not the cheapest option at £18.99. Some alternatives come in at a bit lower, but after checking reviews, it's clear you'd be sacrificing quality. For me, the slight premium is well worth it. And another minor gripe, I guess, while the 1.5 meter cable will work for most setups, they might not be long enough for larger spaces, so I'm sure you could just use a USB extender for that, but just something to mention. So of course this isn't the cheapest option out there, but I think it's easily the best value. If you want to play GameCube games on Dolphin using the original controller, this is the way to do it. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Drop a comment if you've tried the Mayflash adapter, or maybe you have any other recommendations for anyone in the comment section that's looking for it. Of course, check out this video on the screen as well for another one of our great tech videos. We'll see you in the next one.